Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 22nd of January. Let's have a look at cable, which is actually holding up fairly well. It had that negative candle on Friday, and then there was an early morning slip yesterday, but that held up above the breakout pivot that I'm looking at 28.15. That is a pivot that has basically been holding throughout the last week, really, and again ticking higher once more today. Now, these momentum indicators are still pretty strongly configured, actually. The RSI went well above 60 last week, that to multi-month highs, and sort of shading a little bit higher again as the sort of intraday moves have been continued to be bought into in the last couple of sessions. MACD lines are still pulling a touch bit higher, a little bit of a rollover on the stochastics, but nothing yet too concerning. But I still think this is a move whereby we find the market forming support above that sort of 28 figure to 28.15 breakout, and whether it can now move above 30 figure or not, I think is the question, because I think that seems to certainly have been a resistance formed from last week and remains in place this week as well. You've got the UK unemployment data, the employment statistics coming up pretty strongly. You've got unemployment falling back to 4% from 4.1. That was lower than expected. You also had average earnings growing to 3.4% as well. So real wages continue to grow. That's sterling positive. And it has certainly been a positive reaction on sterling to that, a shade higher there this morning. So yeah, we're still looking at support forming on sterling. Obviously, it's still going to be very much Brexit orientated, and that could be what actually keeps sterling hamstrung in the near term, given the fact that the massive uncertainties surrounding the direction of Brexit in the UK. And but for now, certainly the market is remaining supported above 28 figure, and I think that's going to be a bit of a line in the sand now. Anything that sort of moves more back towards a harder form of Brexit, I think is going to see 28 figure lost and move to the downside. Maintaining 28 figure, I think, would be an indication that we're going to continue to sort of direction towards a slightly softer form of Brexit potentially coming in the next few weeks. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.